Today, we're doing a hotel tour of the Maritime in New York City. Located in Chelsea and near the Meatpacking District, the Maritime Hotel is a perfect location for those looking to stay surrounded by fantastic restaurants, nightclubs, and shopping markets. As soon as you enter the hotel, the vibe is sophisticated and smart. Bookshelves are everywhere, and large leather sofas invite you to drift the day away, perhaps sipping on a brandy. The atmosphere feels very old school. Now let's head up to the rooms. Formerly home to the National Maritime Union, the Maritime Hotel pays tribute to its nautical past, and the hallways make you feel as if you were on a cruise ship inside a boat, which I found really cool and unique. Here's a tour of room 402, which is where I spent the night. The room is compact, but it's great if you're traveling solo or as a couple. The window overlooks the street, which I love, and it's a great source of natural light. I am not fond of hotels with no windows. They just feel so dull and dark, but the lighting in my room was excellent. Then we have a full-size bed in a small bathroom. If it gets too bright or if you want some privacy, you do have curtains you can pull. But right now, I'm all about the lights, so I am keeping those off. You also get a couple of chairs, a desk, and a TV to sit and relax or Netflix and chill. My stay also included a complimentary bottle of wine, which I will never say no to free vino. Overall, this hotel is excellent for solo travelers and couples who want to enjoy the nightlife in New York City. Thanks so much for watching. If there's another hotel in New York City you want me to check out and review, leave a comment below. I live here, so I can go hotel hopping all day, every day. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.